Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Haas. Today I made Tuscan shrimp served on fusilli pasta. This is what I done today. You better start cooking with Haas if you crave more flavor in your house. Oh, so delicious. I hope you follow my recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. Let me show you how I made it. Our ingredients are shrimp, onion, mushroom, spinach, fusilli pasta, tomato puree, sun-dried tomato, Parmigiano Reggiano, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, zest of lemon, diced garlic, vegetable stock, and cream. What is zest of lemon, you may ask? Zest of lemon is the outer skin of a lemon, which is yellow, and you need a device like that to shave the yellow portion. That becomes zest of lemon. But when you get to the white portion of it, don't shave it because that doesn't taste good and is bitter. This device is made specifically for zest of lemon. But if you don't have this device, you can use easily a cheese grater, which will do the same job. In a large skillet, we add some olive oil and put the shrimp in, and we fry shrimp between 2 to 3 minutes until the color is changing. Don't fry shrimps more than 3 minutes. It loses its moisture and becomes stringy. Transfer the shrimps to another plate because we need the same skillet to make our sauce. To start with sauce, saute some white onions. To saute the onion to become caramelized, it takes usually between 4 to 6 minutes. If you see your skillet is dry, you can add a little bit more oil. Now it's time to add your mushroom. Oops. That wasn't planned, but it is what it is. You have to saute mushroom with a high heat because the mushroom has a lot of moisture and it has to lose its moisture, because too much water, it doesn't taste good in your dish. Now there was time to add garlic. You have to be very careful with garlic to don't burn it, because burned garlic doesn't taste good. You need only maybe a minute. Now this aroma, you can smell the garlic. Next, we add sun-dried tomato to add more flavor and color. Oh my God, look at this. The aroma is killing me. I'm so hungry, I can eat this now. Now it's time to add tomato puree. Put heat again back and let it simmer for several minutes until it loses its moisture. I'm gonna make a fusilli pasta, and I need to coordinate between my skillet and my pasta. So I'm boiling water so the dish becomes ready at the same time. Now it's time to add your spinach. You might think it's a lot of spinach, but it's like about 2 cups. But as soon as the spinach is cooking, it becomes like almost invisible. As you see, the spinach is already gone almost, but it has a lot of color and flavor added to the dish. So I'm gonna add zest of lemon and simmer it for like maybe 30 seconds. You're gonna add 1 cup of cream. Turn on the heat in a medium and let it simmer until all the ingredients get incorporated to each other and the flavors get mixed. I'm adding Parmigiano Reggiano. It's about half a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. And mix well. As you see, the dish is getting really all incorporated together. The smell, the flavor, everything comes together. Oh my God, it's a mouth-watering dish. Mouth-watering dish. I'm so hungry. The water is boiling. I'm gonna put the pasta, and hopefully in a couple of more minutes we can taste this. Now it's time to cook your pasta. I'm using fusilli. It takes probably about 5 to 6 minutes to cook the pasta. To make sure that pasta doesn't stick together, you can, stir and add a little bit of olive oil. For garnish, I'm using some green onion. It gives a little bit of a flavor and adds some color to the dish. One thing that I have to tell you guys, when you cook, please keep your work area clean and always keep your kitchen clean. Always remember to keep some pasta water, because that would help to loosen your sauce a little bit if it's a little bit more thicker than it's supposed to be. So save some pasta water. Just drain the pasta. Yeah, I can see anymore because the steam fogged my glass. Pasta is ready, sauce is ready. Now we're gonna mix the pasta with our sauce, and next we're gonna add all the shrimp. All the juice and everything that adds flavor, and give it a good toss. Now you can serve yourself and your family. You need some shrimp. Oh man, I'm so hungry. It's so good. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Let's try it. This is for garnish. So delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Looks good. Thumbs up.